In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to contact Jumia via email. Let's say you have an issue with your order, you just want to launch that complaint to Jumia support center. The next thing you're going to do is just to find their email, and then you can send them an email message through your own email as well. So all you just need to do, just copy this email I'm going to show you right now. So you can see, raising your dispute. Generally, we suggest that you contact the merchant first. In many cases, a misunderstanding can be resolved this way the easiest. So if this does not solve your problem, we are here to help you. Contact us at dispute.pay.ng@jumia.com. As you can see, this is their right email right here. Then you can see, please include as much supporting information as possible. For example, Jumia Pay reference number, a copy or screenshot of the merchant invoice or order confirmation. If available, the tracking or waybill number of the delivery service. So you can see right there, just contact them through this email, and one of their customer support center is gonna reply to your email, and then they'll be able to get in touch with you on anything you actually want.